no be only to finish my food for house. Where you go remain to do. See, you go learn work, so you go get work. This Nigeria where we dey now. Once you no get work, you get work for yourself. Oh. You gonna learn work. This is my brother where they go. If you meet am, try to dey loyal so you go sabi work. Hot puppy, my son. Yes. Hot puppy. Yes. Let this work well. Oh. This furniture work, I won't make it sabi am. Oh, my brother. How are you?
I'm fine, my brother.
Oh, in Nkota one is me, Mrs. Catherine. This is my son, Hot Puppy. I wanted this my son to learn how to do furniture work. Hot Puppy, this is your master who will teach you how to do furniture work.
You say furniture work or organize?
Did he look like imbecile? Hot Puppy, smile.
Yeah. Huh?
Smile, you say no. Churchy, you like to watch?
Yeah. Afa. Yeah. Kahang. Ebugin. Buchi. Huh? Buchi. Are you from where? Yes. Huh? Yes. Are you from where? Some yes. Are you stupid? Are you from where?
Hot Puppy. When I say, where are you from? Elebishi. Kebish, Hot Puppy. Mba, please, this is your master. You smile for this man.
You say you want to learn what? Eh? Equal home. And this go Prongwa Yasabaku.
Oga, please, I beg no first.
Oga Prongwa Yasabaku.
You are my senior brother. See, I don't born. I get 27 local governments. And that's this one. Hush. Hush, Puppy. Stay with this your uncle. Uncle? Say uncle, give me what you have to eat. Lola.